2024 is getting over, or just got over when you're watching this video, and 2025, a new year with lots of uncertainties and lots of unpredictability. But here I am with spread of cards, not one, not two, not three, but all the cards that I have to give the guidance just for you to pass on this 2025 with support and the guidance from the divine universe. Are you ready? So let me take the first card. The first card, I take it from the Everyday Miracles. That amazing card which guides you, the God's message to you. Okay, so let us go to that. Wow. The card says that I'm affected only by my thoughts. This is such a reassuring card. It is not something outside stuff which is affecting you. It's your own thoughts. Let us see the deeper meaning to it. Seek not to change the world, but choose to change your mind about the world. What you see reflects your thinking, and your thinking but reflects your choice of what you want to see. It is such a deep thought, or such a deep message here, which talks about if you want to see a beautiful year 2025, start from creating beautiful thoughts, affirming that this year is going to bring the best in my life, the best partner, the best job, the best money, the best business opportunities. And here we go, 2025 will provide you everything you think here. So it says that everything you want in 2025, change your thoughts and receive it. Alright, so let us go to the another card. The another card deck, what I love is about commitment card. What are you committing in 2025? Maybe we did not keep our commitments in 2024, or maybe we kept. But 2025, when we begin the first day of the year, so that we are more enthusiastic, we know that we want to make the difference because our thoughts are creating our world. First message, remember? So let us see, what do I commit to? So these are the commitment cards, and let's see what comes in. Okay, so today I promise to choose and want to give myself credit for sticking around even when things feel hopeless. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So all the people, all the hardworking women here, the busy women, the women who have been working hard for yourself, for your family, for your work, congratulate yourself. Commit to appreciate yourself for sticking around. Commit to love yourself, appreciate yourself, give credit to yourself for the consistent effort that you have been putting so far. So this card is a reminder to appreciate yourself for being consistent in your work. Do not forget to appreciate yourself even for a smaller thing you achieve. That's super duper important. Okay, let's go to the next card deck. The next card deck is my favorite. I don't think so I've ever read it on my YouTube or my Instagram, but these cards are from Abraham. I hope you know Law of Attraction, Abraham Hicks. So this is about wouldn't it be nice? Let us see, wouldn't it be nice is a way of manifesting your desires by saying, we do not say I want this, I need this. You just declare, wouldn't it be nice? Let us see what is there for 2025 in Wouldn't It Be Nice series. Alright. So wouldn't it be nice if my home was clean and comfortable with an air of love, peace and joy? So all the beautiful ladies who are very busy taking care of all other stuff, this year you will be focusing more on creating a beautiful, clean, neat house where you have joy and sunshine and air in your house rotating around. So I read it again. Wouldn't it be nice if my house was clean, comfortable with an air of love, peace and joy? Let there be peace and love and joy, not only in your home, but inside your heart. Beautiful card. Wouldn't it be nice that? Let me go. Before I go further, let me know if you're enjoying it. Write enjoy in the comment box or give me more in the comment box so that I know you are watching till the end. Okay? So now we'll go to the beautiful, beautiful Divine Angels card. What is a message for angels for the year 2025? We really want to know, and I know angels are surrounding us all the time. But what are they guiding us in this year I mean, these cards are for entire year, okay? Monthly cards I'll be reading again in February, but this is for entire year. And note them down. Maybe you have a journaling habit. Note them down about all the things that you've heard so far. Alright, so the card for the angel comes here. Wow, wow. You're going to love it, I'm sure. There is nothing to worry about. Release all the worries, all the tensions, my child. So the angels are saying you are safe and this situation is under perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. So I think the divine cards and the angel cards are so in alignment that these are only thoughts, and the angels are there for you to support any worry, anything you hear in the news or anything else. Maybe 2025 is predicted to be the year of calamities and a lot of chaos, but know that if you're listening to this message, you are the chosen one, you are the protected one, you are the divine's favorite one. They are there to protect you. Keep your worries, the burden that you carry all across, aside and breathe. Okay? Remember, and I really want you to make a note of it. Stick it around for the entire year so that you are relaxed. The year might be of ups and downs, but these messages will keep us going through thick and thin. Alright? Let us go to the beautiful law of attraction cards. Let us go to the beautiful law of attraction card. These are my favorite Asher and Jerry Hicks cards. I might be biased, but I like all of them. So I'm a deck fan. I don't know how many of you are also deck fan. And the messages like this are amazing. You really feel so much connected. If you feel connected, say yes, I do. Though I cannot see you, but say I do. Okay? Alright. So here we go. I see myself enjoying perfect well-being. This is beautiful. Let me read ahead. This is important again. How do you see yourself? Remember, I'm a mirror magic coach. Once you look in the mirror, you're going to affirm this. I see myself enjoying perfect well-being. Perfect. Okay. I see myself in perfect health, with absolute prosperity, and invigorated with life. I'm appreciating this physical life that I wanted as I decided to be a physical being. It's glorious to be here making decisions with my physical brain, but accessing the power of the universe through the power of the law of attraction. I don't know how many of you understood, but understand, when you look into the mirror, you see, I love being who I am. That you can affirm, or you can say, I see myself enjoying my perfect well-being. Perfect well-being is a perfect state of mind, your body, your health, your spirituality, your prosperity, your relationship. You're perfectly in all the ways. So whenever you look in the mirror, you say, I look at myself as a perfect well-being. Will you do that? Maybe there are a lot of imperfections. Maybe the things are not working the way you want it to be. Maybe you have a lot of health issues. Maybe there are relationship issues. Maybe there are so many other issues. But it's a thought, and thought can be changed, and you look yourself just being perfect, because this is the divine's message, not my message. So take it seriously, okay? Let's go to the other cards. Are you tired or you want to go more? I hear you saying more. Yeah? Alright, let's go. So these are my power thought. These are my first deck which I started using since 2014, and it's 2025, 11 years, and they have been supporting me like crazy. There have been times where I felt powerless. There have been times where I felt things are not moving the way I want to. Maybe I didn't even know how I wanted to some years back. But they give the power. So let me see what is the power does for all of us for 2025. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I don't know why these cards are coming again and again. So maybe there is a lot of fear and doubts. I have seen the predictions for numerology also. I've also seen astrology talking about 2025 being the number 9. Lot of release work, lot of completion, lot of breakups and all things can happen. But whatever you think and whatever you feel about yourself is going to manifest. So the card is saying, I release all fears and doubts. I just release. Okay, let us see ahead. I accept myself and create peace in my mind and heart. I'm loved and I'm safe. I now choose to free myself from all destructive fears and doubts. I'm loved, I'm safe. Do you understand? Even though they are different cards, different decks from the different people written, but energetically they are all talking about the same thing. I release my doubts and fears. I see myself with a perfect well-being, and it's only thoughts. Like everything is so connected. So understand, if at all you still worry, पता नहीं कैसा होगा 2025, God knows what, so much, I know so many wars are happening, this is happening. Relax, I release all fear and doubts. I'm safe, I'm loved. Repeat after me. Put it in the comment box so I know at least you're doing something with me. Alright, let's go to the next card. And the cards are wisdom cards. Again, beautiful deck by Louise Hay. What is the wisdom for 2025 that we need to constantly remind ourselves of? Is it becoming overdose, or you are with me? You're with me? Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so let me shuffle more. So I keep shuffling till I feel energetically, okay, this is the one. So don't ask me how many shuffles you need to do. Your intuitive guidance will guide you, okay? Okay. I love you, Bhagwan. So everything I need comes to me at the perfect time. If it's not come to you, there is no perfect time right now. So you affirm, declare, everything I need, whatever I need comes to me at the perfect time, space and sequence. That's how I say. And whether the things are getting delayed, but I know if I need, that time it will surely come. Okay, so let us read. I ask for help, I tell life what I want, and then I allow it to happen. I just relax. So I say, I wanted to share this. I wanted somebody to take care of my YouTube videos, my Instagram. I said, okay, God, I'm ready for it. I want somebody. And here comes my videographer, my social media manager, Aishila. And she's amazing. So the thing is that you just say, this is what I need, and allow it to happen. How it will come, not your part. What do you want? Have the beautiful relation with your divine. Declare it. This is what I want, God or universe, and allow it to come. Don't use your head, mind, anxiety, fear, doubt. Just chillax. I keep my fear and doubts aside and allow things to happen. How cool, right? So be very clear about what you want and then declare this. Everything I need comes to me at perfect time. And again, I repeat, if it's not come, it's not a perfect time. It will come. Just trust and believe. Okay, now this is the last deck that I have here. This is about honoring myself. So what do I do honoring myself? Like, this is about more of self-care cards. So you need to be taking care of yourself, respecting your time, your boundaries, your own self. So that, let's see, what are we going to do honoring ourselves in 2025? All right. Honoring myself. When I'm aware of even a subtle stirring within, I say to the face in the mirror, be my guest. Did you get it? So even if there is certain you're not peaceful, you're not joyful, there's something, just go in the mirror and face it and say, be my guest. It's okay. Be my guest means you don't have to stay with me forever. Come and you can go now. Getting it? So anything which is not in the rhythm and flow of your life, if it's not in the peace and alignment with who you really are, let them come and go. But your love for yourself, as I always say, in the mirror, do not forget to declare everything in the mirror. So this is how you're going to build a relationship in the mirror with yourself and the divine, and make your life super, super, super cool and easy with the divine guidance and these guidance that I have given you. Okay. And if you want to make 2025 super powerful, super brilliant and magical and mystical, do join my Mirror Magic Masterclass. The link is below and I would like to see you inside there. Take care. Have a beautiful 2025. Happy New Year. Stay blessed.